Today is day 3 of Been on My Car Every Day. I taught me the Rush Car Show Network. I left my storage unit, took my car to my house, and from there the main objective was to get the car painted, fix all the rust holes, and get it running and driving. So to start, we started by getting all the old paint off using any cheap common tools, grinders, sanders. But there's a lot of rust on this vehicle, so I spent the majority of the time cutting a lot of rust holes out, patching them up, welding them up. So here we have holes on the side, holes on the floorboards, got those patched up, got those welded in. Now that I strip the whole body down, get it ready for primer. In order to get to the next step of body work, I put it in primer first. Did this in 2 steps. Started with the body itself. Then once this is completely primed, put the doors in and the hood in to do those separately. Once those done, put it in paint, gems, put everything back together, and started spraying the color red. After paint, it was finally time to start getting the car running and driving. Put the whole new exhaust in, put the engine back together, do a couple of wiring, did the brakes, and it was time to go on my first journey driving the car. Looking back at it, I would never use single stage paint again, but it did help me become a better painter for a fraction of the cost. But that's all for Day 3 recaps. Stay tuned for a recap of Day 4.